today we are going to discuss about leveling. And under leveling, there are two types of leveling, which is whereby one, it is rise and fall method, and the second one is height of instrument or height of collimation. But in our case today, we are going to discuss about rise and fall method. In our rise and fall method, always the first reading we place it on the back side, and our last reading we place it on the far side. Then the rest of the readings we place them in the intermediate side. Now, in our case today, while calculating for the rise and fall method, we take the back side, we subtract it from the intermediate side, then we will get our answer, whereby if it is a negative sign, we place it on the fall level, on the fall column, and if it is a positive sign, we place it in the rise column. Then, now we will start by calculating, whereby we take our back side, which is our first reading, we subtract it from the intermediate side. If we get a positive answer, we will place it on the rise column, and if we get a negative answer, we will place it on the fall column. After calculating all of that, we go to our reduced level column. In our reduced level column, the first benchmark, we place it on the first row. Whereby our first benchmark, it is 100. Now we will take this 100, we subtract, if it is in the fall column, we will subtract it from, we will take the reduced level, we subtract it from the fall. And if it is on the rise column, we will subtract it, we will add it, and place it on the reduced level. After calculating all of this, we will calculate for our checks. In our checks, we will add the backside column, then we will add again the foresight column, then we will add the rise and fall column, then we will take our last reduced level, we subtract it from our first reduced level. So, after adding the back side, we got 2.7676. Then after adding our foresight, we got 2.702. And again, after adding our rise, we got 0.134. And after adding our fall column, we got 0.06. Now when calculating for the checks, we take the summation of backside minus summation of fall, or foresight, which it will be equal to summation of rise minus summation of fall, which again it will be equal to the last reduced level minus the first reduced level. Now, our backside was 2.776 minus our foresight was 2.702. Again, our rise was 100.074 minus our fall was our reduced level, our last reduced level was 100.074, thereby our first reduced level was 100.00, which it must be equal to the backside and the first and last reduced level, which will also be equal to our rise minus our fall. After calculating all of it, our answers must read from the same point, whereby when subtracting backside minus foresight, it must give you the same answer when subtracting our last reduced level minus our first reduced level. And again, it must give you the same answer when subtracting the rise and minus the fall level. Thereby, in our case, our answer was 0.074, which is equal to 0.074, which is equal to 0.074. When your checks are on the same page, then your answer